Hello Dnation and welcome back. In today's episode, we are going to be unboxing a replica of the Honda X ADV, which is a 118 scale diecast motorcycle replica manufactured by Welly. And I'm going to be showing you the features and the specifications of this amazing diecast motorcycle replica. So stay tuned with me on this one and let's get this started. So, before we get to the good stuff, let's take a quick look at the boxing as always. This Honda X ADV replica comes mounted on a base plate with the model name on it and in a signature Honda window type box, which is a standard boxing by Welly for the most part. So let's go ahead and take a closer look at the packaging and get this thing opened. So, to begin with, my first thoughts about this diecast replica is that it has quite a good and sturdy build quality and made of diecast for the most part, with a few components made of ABS plastic with some good details which are standard with the Welly motorcycle replicas for the most part. And I should admit that this model looks quite amazing and looks exactly like its real life counterpart. So getting down to a few features and specifications, this replica measures in at 4.5 inches in length, 3 inches in height, 2 inches in width and weighs in approximately at about 110 grams, which are standard 118 scale motorcycle specs. And with that out of the way, let's go ahead and take a closer look at the features and the functionality of this 118 scale Honda X ADV diecast replica. And please do let me know as to what are your favorite features regarding this awesome diecast replica in the comments below. So let's go ahead and take a closer look and stay tuned for some fun facts about the Honda X ADV coming up. Well, by the looks of it, all I can say is that this is a beautiful and well-detailed diecast replica of the Honda X ADV scooter, and I'm glad that I got this model to add to my 118 scale diecast motorcycle collection. So overall, this is a beautiful diecast replica and a definite must-have for any diecast motorcycle collector or hobbyist, especially if you are a Honda enthusiast. And in case you're interested, kindly find further features, specifications, and the Best Buy link for this diecast replica in the description below. So with that out of the way, let's place this amazing and well-detailed Honda X ADV replica on the Dnation dyno and check out its wheel spin and its functionality. Well, the functionality seems to be perfect and just as beautiful as the highly detailed exteriors and this Honda motorcycle replica gets a massive thumbs up from me for its looks as well as for its functionality. So with that being said, let's place this amazing diecast replica on the D-Nation turntable and take a look at this diecast beauty in a 360-degree view, and stay tuned for some fun facts on the Honda X ADV coming up. The Honda X ADV is a motorcycle produced since 2017 by the Japanese motorcycle manufacturer Honda. It was designed by the Honda R&D Center in Rome and presented at EICMA 2016. The scooter shares many elements with the Honda NC750 series. The first generation was presented at EICMA 2016, proposed as a crossover model that is a Maxi scooter but with all the chassis of a high-wheeled motorcycle. This is thanks to the use of a 745cm twin-cylinder engine with 6-speed DCT sequential gearbox set in a steel frame. In addition to the characteristics of the powertrain and transmission, which this model inherited from the NC750 family, the Honda X ADV differs from the preceding Integra 750 for the profile that is deliberately developed upwards and the compact body vehicle in an off-road style. The off-road spirit is also accentuated by specific design choices such as the long travel suspension, tangential spoke rims of 17 inches at the front and 15 inches at the rear, and the Enduro braking system with two 310mm floating discs at the front and 4-piston radial calipers and 2-channel ABS. And for further information on the Honda X ADV, kindly check the link in the description below. And if you want to get yourself or your loved ones this amazing Honda X ADV replica, I dropped the Best Buy link in the description below, so go check it out and get yourself one if you're interested. And also please do let me know in the comments below as to what are your thoughts about this amazing Honda diecast replica. And kindly continue to support D-Nation by liking and sharing our videos, as it would really help us out a lot. And in case you missed out on our previous episodes, please do check out the rest of the 118 scale and the 112 scale diecast motorcycle episodes and a lot more fun stuff in the playlist below. And this brings us to the end of this episode, and I hope you enjoyed it as much as I enjoyed making it for you. And if you guys enjoyed this video, a like, comment and share would be much appreciated. And kindly support D-Nation by subscribing to our channel if you haven't already, and click that notification bell icon so you don't miss out on any of our upcoming episodes. Also do follow us at dnation.in on Instagram for daily diecast previews and updates, and stay tuned for all new and one-of-a-kind episodes coming up. Well, thank you for watching, take care, and I'll see you on the next one.